Welcome, everyone. Please have a seat. Hi, good morning, and welcome to ISC 2025. My name is Edith Beignet, and I'm extremely honored to be here today as the conference chair of the 2025 and 2026 editions. I first want to thank Eugenio Cantatore and Ananta Chandrakasan for supporting me this entire year through the transition into the new role. It's really great to see all of you here in person. I'm sure you will enjoy the conference. We have an outstanding program, a lot of new and nice events that are going to be offered to you during this week. And yeah, I'm sure you will enjoy it. Yeah, it's going to be the next slide. Thank you. So this year is the 72nd anniversary of the conference, and the theme is the Silicon Engine driving the AI revolution. We are committed to provide continuous innovations to the conference to serve our community, and we do it in the best possible way. This year, due to a continued large submission count, which is really great, we decided to open a 6th parallel path on Tuesday. And I also would like to thank our new exhibition chair, Eric Carl, who really helped us expand the industry exhibition that you're going to see on Monday and Tuesday evenings. Here is an overview of the attendance over the years. So those are estimated numbers here, but I think we're going to reach that point. So most of you are here in that room, and I'm really glad to announce that the attendance has been pretty stable year over year, showing your great interest to the community and the conference. This number here includes in-person and online attendance. In terms of breakdown, we have a large number of attendees who are IEEE and SSCS members, and we really appreciate the support from our mother organizations. We also have more and more people attending online, and as a reminder, all of you here in person also have access to the online platform, so please make a good use of it, and I know you cannot attend all of the different sessions in parallel, so you're going to be able to get access to everything there during and after the conference. Again, this year, we have a super nice diversity of companies and academic institutions, and just make a good use of all of the networking events that we have prepared. I think it's a unique opportunity to see so many different companies and universities sitting together, and I know that a lot of you appreciate a lot the networking here. So those events are spanned over the different days of the conference. We have coffee breaks, social hours, author interviews, university receptions. This year, just a quick note here, the author interviews will go back to the atrium level on the Monday and Tuesday. As I said earlier, the exhibition is expanding this year, and compared to last year, we have more people exhibiting their work. It will be co-located with the demo sessions in the same room during the Monday and Tuesday evenings. It will feature this year 22 organizations, so I know that a lot of them attend this opening session this morning. I want to thank all of you for submitting your proposals and making this event so successful year after year. Of course, there are some special benefits for attendees, as highlighted here. Just a quick reminder, because I know we'll get the question, in order to preserve our Wi-Fi bandwidth, and I hope it's going to work well for everyone here, you won't be able to download the entire digest during the day. It's a large file, and last year we had some issues. You will, of course, be able to download all of the session papers and presentations whenever needed during the day. I would like also to welcome here those of you who have benefited from travel grants from ISC and SSCS Society. It is really our great pleasure to help support the student community, and yeah, welcome again. So before sharing the technical highlights of the conference, I would like to take some time to honor Yingzhu Lin and Mona Hela, who passed away recently. I want to recognize their outstanding contribution to our technical committee during the past years. All our thoughts go to their family, friends, and colleagues. So this week, we gather to discuss the latest advancements in our field. As we continue to push the boundaries of innovation, it's essential that we acknowledge the significant strides made in various areas. I'm not going to read all the slides. You will get the slides available, but I want you to be able to see the highlights and then decide, looking at the program, which of those, of course, you would like to see and you would enjoy. In analog circuits, we've seen remarkable improvements in power efficiency and scalability of sensor interfaces. You will see new audio amplifiers and improvements in capacitance-to-digital converters for diverse applications. Moving on to data converters, we have witnessed significant progress in node shaping and SAR-based converters. High-speed converters have also made notable strides. In the realm of digital architectures and systems, next-generation processors have taken a center stage. Moreover, sustainable and scalable AI accelerators for edge and cloud applications have emerged. Digital circuits have also undergone significant transformations. Innovations in integrated digital techniques have improved system power efficiencies and helped overcome memory bottlenecks. IMD has seen exciting developments in biomedical, imager, and displays. Novel circuit techniques support wireless power and data transfer, neural stimulation, and biomedical imaging, together with new brain-machine interfaces and intelligent devices. New imagers and SPADs showing enhanced performances will be also presented this week. Memory technology has continued to advance with new SRAMs, 3D NANDs, STT-MRAMs, and energy-efficient computing memory techniques. Power management has become increasingly important with high-performance hybrid converters and switching converters. New advances are seen in wireless power transfer and GaN power ICs. RF circuits have made substantial progress with new power amplifiers, charge pumps, PLLs, and VCOs. Wireless communication has become increasingly critical with high resolution and high data rate millimeter wave and terahertz, sub-terahertz transceivers. We have seen designs of efficient digital transmitters too. Security has become top priority with new circuit techniques for hardware, root of trust, and processor architectures. As we look to the future of technology directions, AI-enabled end-to-end design techniques are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Biosensors, cryogenic ICs for quantum computing have made new significant advances. Finally, wireline communication is pushing the limits of data communication between chips, modules, and data centers. Ultra-high-speed wireline transceivers and ultra-low-power die-to-die links are being developed to meet these demands. I hope you will enjoy this program with a ton of really good highlights and paper. You have the program available. Please go see the sessions that you're interested in. And as I said, everything else is going to be on the online platform. And now, I would like to welcome Dr. Tom Bird, 2025 ISSC Program Chair. Dr. Tom Bird has received his bachelor's, master's, and PhD degrees from the University of California, Berkeley. In 2005, he joined Advanced Micro Devices in Santa Clara, where he is a senior fellow. He was the physical design architect of the Zen 3 CPU and is currently working on a next-generation CPU core. Please welcome Tom on stage.
Much. Thank you, Edith. First, I'd like to take a moment to recognize Dr. Beignet as our first female conference chair. I mean, personally, it's long overdue. I would also like to add my own personal welcome to ISSCC 2025. And before we get to the first plenary talk, I'll take a few minutes to give you an overview of the ISSC program and events this year. This year's program for technical papers consists of 254 papers arranged into 37 sessions. Like last year, we have 2 invited half sessions, one highlighting recent developments in 4 outside-the-box topics for ISSCC in session 12, and the other one highlighting 4 AI processors from industry in session 16. There are also demonstration sessions for the technical papers on Monday and Tuesday evenings. We have 10 tutorials, 6 forums, and 1 short course on RF transceivers. And there are 3 evening events this year, all on Tuesday, in order to allow for more networking time on Monday evening. Yesterday, we held the student research preview, highlighting ongoing research by students from around the world, and the Women in Circuits hosted a mentoring and bingo event. Finally, we have in its second year the exhibition at ISSCC, featuring products and demonstrations from select companies and research institutions. I am pleased to say that we had another record number of submissions to ISSCC, which increased by 5% over 2024. As a result, we increased the number of accepted papers by another 5% over last year. To continue accommodating the increased number of papers since 2024, the length of a regular paper is 25 minutes, and the time for short papers is 15 minutes. To maintain alignment across sessions, the short papers will happen only before breaks or at the end of the session. In addition, I want to remind everyone that on Tuesday and Wednesday, the morning sessions start at 8 a.m. To accommodate even more papers than 2024, as Edith alluded to earlier, we have added a 6th parallel track on Tuesday. It is located in the Foothill C room on the atrium level, which you may get to by taking the escalators up from the lobby. Session 15 will start in that room at 8 a.m. on Tuesday, and session 22 will start after the afternoon break on Tuesday at 3:35 p.m. We will have signs posted as well to guide you there. Here are the distributions of accepted technical papers across geographic regions and affiliation type. This year, we have 65% from the Far East, 23% from the Americas, and 12% from Europe. 67% of the accepted papers are from academia, followed by 20% from industry, 9% are joint papers with industry, and 4% from research institutions. For downloads of the conference material, you will use the MirrorSmart platform, logging in with the registration information that you received by email. This site provides the available manuscripts and slides, including live recordings that will be available to stream next week. It will also allow you to vote on papers and ask questions to authors. This information will be available to you through the end of March. Please follow ISSCC on social media. Now, don't pull out your phones to take a picture of the QR codes here. We will have them on posters in the hallway outside the salons. Here's an overview of the ISSCC Program Committee organization. The ISSC is operated by an executive committee that is chaired by Edith Beignet. The Director of Publications, and frankly, the bedrock foundation of the ISSC conference is Laura Fugino. The technical program of the conference was overseen by myself, as well as the ITPC Vice Chair, Keith Bowman. There are 12 subcommittees with a total of 190 members. Each subcom covers one technical aspect of the ISSCC program. And I'd like to honor the subcommittee chairs now. First, for analog is Viola Schaefer. For power management, Bernard Wicht. For data converters, Jan Westra. For digital architectures and systems, Rahul Rao. For digital circuits, Hoi-Chu Liu. For imagers, medical and displays, Ricky Muller. For memory, Marvin Cheng. For RF, Brian Ginsberg. For security Ingrid Verbauid. For technology directions, Ali Hajimiri. For wireless, Chi Meng Hung. And for wireline, Thomas Teufel. I would also like to recognize Saurabh Bandyopadhyay and Masood Babai for stepping into the newly formed role of Subcommittee Vice Chair for the Power Management and RF Subcommittees, respectively. All regional organization for the Program Committee is handled by the FE, EU, and NA chairs, Jayuk Choi, Matteo Bassi, and Jeff Walling. In addition, to foster industry engagement, the Industry Committee is chaired by Alicia Kleinfelter and Vivek Day. I would now like to thank everyone for their hard work in putting this conference together. It really takes a village to make this thing work. And I would like all members of listed committees to please stand up and to be acknowledged for a round of applause. Thank you so much. And as we begin the official program, here are a few reminders. First, no cameras are allowed in the sessions, and please ensure your phones are switched to silent. Please do not forget to provide your ratings of papers and demos via the conference platform. Those are very important for awards that are given out in recognition of excellence the following year. Now, I'm really looking forward to the plenary talks this morning, as I hope you are, which will be given by 4 distinguished leaders in semiconductor manufacturing, design, and research. First, we have Nivi Shariari from Intel, Professor Daniela Roos from MIT, Dr. Jayuk Song from Samsung, and Peter Schiefer from Infineon Technologies. I would also like here to acknowledge the excellent work done this year by the Plenary Committee, chaired by Anantha Chandrakasan. For this morning's agenda, there will be an awards presentation and break following the talk from Professor Roos.